Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through programming your garage door opener with your Tesla Model Y. As of 2026, Tesla has moved away from traditional HomeLink hardware. We'll cover how to use Tesla's built-in system, focusing on MyQ and other compatible setups. We'll also address older garage door openers and how to make them work. Get ready to ditch the old remote. Tesla no longer includes the physical HomeLink module in Model Y vehicles manufactured from 2023 onward. The functionality is now entirely software-based. If your Model Y is older than 2023 and has HomeLink, you can still use it. However, this guide primarily focuses on the software-driven approach for newer models. This shift allows for over-the-air updates and broader compatibility. MyQ from Chamberlain Group offers seamless integration with Tesla vehicles. First, ensure your garage door opener is MyQ compatible by checking its model or upgrading if necessary. On your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Garage, and select Add Garage Door. Follow the on-screen prompts to log into your MyQ account or scan the QR code provided. The Tesla and MyQ systems will connect wirelessly. Once connected, you'll have full control of your garage door through the Tesla touchscreen interface. Finally, test the connection by activating the garage door and verifying it opens and closes properly. For garage door openers without MyQ compatibility, Tesla's Model Y can still learn the signal directly. Begin by navigating to the Controls menu on your touchscreen, then select Garage and choose Add Garage Door. The system will guide you to use the car's camera to learn the garage door signal. Position your existing remote near the car and press the button on the remote while the camera detects the signal. For rolling code systems, you may need to enter the code manually. The touchscreen will prompt you to input the specific code from your garage door opener. Compatibility varies by opener model, so check that yours supports universal receivers before starting. Once programmed, test the connection by driving away and back to verify the signal range, typically 100 to 200 feet. This method works with most universal garage door systems, though some older models may require hardware upgrades. Encountering problems with your garage door integration? Let's troubleshoot the most common issues. First, ensure your garage door opener is compatible with Tesla's system. Many require MyQ compatibility or a universal receiver. Second, replace batteries in your garage door opener if they're weak or old. Low power can prevent proper communication. Third, verify your Tesla has internet access for initial pairing, especially when connecting with MyQ systems. Fourth, for rolling code systems, follow the pairing instructions carefully. These security codes change with each use and require precise timing. Finally, if problems continue, check for over-the-air firmware updates or consult Tesla's support documentation and user forums for model-specific solutions. Tesla prioritizes security in its garage door integration. Start by using strong, unique passwords for your MyQ account to prevent unauthorized access. Enable PIN lock on your Tesla's garage door controls for added protection against misuse. Be cautious with third-party apps offering integration, as they can introduce vulnerabilities. Only use reputable apps and check their security practices. Regularly update your Tesla software to receive the latest security patches and improvements. Only grant necessary permissions to integrated apps to minimize security risks. The future of garage door integration in Tesla Model Y vehicles promises deeper smart home synergy. As technology evolves, expect seamless connectivity with universal platforms like Matter, enabling your garage door to work with broader home automation systems. One exciting trend is geofencing technology, where your garage door can open automatically as you approach home. This creates a hands-free experience by detecting your vehicle's location relative to your property. Voice command integration will become increasingly common, allowing you to control your garage door using Alexa or Google Assistant. This hands-free operation adds convenience to your daily routine. Keep an eye out for eco-friendly upgrades, such as battery-powered garage openers that sync with your electric vehicle's charging schedule. This sustainable approach aligns perfectly with Tesla's mission. Programming your Model Y's garage door opener is now simpler than ever with Tesla's software-driven approach. While HomeLink hardware is a thing of the past, the new system offers enhanced features and wider compatibility. Whether you're using MyQ or an older opener, Follow the steps outlined in this guide, and you'll be enjoying convenient, keyless access in no time. Thanks for watching.